Faceless Reels Tutorial 2026. If you've been searching for a Faceless Reels tutorial in 2026 and wondering how complete beginners are getting views, followers, leads, and affiliate commissions without showing their face, without recording videos, and without spending hours editing content, then this video is exactly what you need. Because right now, Faceless Reels are one of the biggest opportunities online. And honestly, most people still don't realize how much AI has changed the game. Just a few years ago, creating content required expensive software, editing skills, graphic design knowledge, and a lot of time. Today, AI can do much of the heavy lifting for you. That's why thousands of people are starting faceless content channels and building online income streams using simple systems and automation. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Faceless Reels work, how beginners are creating content faster than ever before, how affiliate marketing fits into the picture, and how you can get started even if you have zero experience. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'm also going to show you the biggest mistakes beginners make, how to scale faster, and how to shortcut the learning curve using ready-made content. Before we begin, if you want instant access to the exact AI tools, Faceless Reels library, training, dashboards, templates, and business-in-a-box system I mentioned throughout this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and making money online, make sure you subscribe right now because I post new tutorials every week. Let's jump into it. So first of all, what exactly are Faceless Reels? Faceless Reels are short-form videos where the creator never appears on camera. Instead of showing your face, you use things like stock footage, AI-generated visuals, motivational clips, text animations, screen recordings, slideshows, quote videos, and AI voiceovers. The viewer consumes the content without ever seeing who created it. That's why Faceless Reels have exploded in popularity. People want privacy, people want simplicity, and people want a content model that doesn't require becoming an influencer. Now let's talk about why Faceless Reels are working so well right now. The answer is simple. Social media platforms are aggressively pushing short-form content. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. These platforms need content. And because they need content, they're willing to give even small creators exposure. That means you don't need thousands of followers. You don't need a personal brand. You don't need expensive cameras. You simply need content. And that's why Faceless Reels have become one of the biggest opportunities for beginners in 2026. Now let's talk about niches, because choosing the right niche matters. One mistake beginners make is creating random content. Instead, focus on niches with strong demand. For example, motivation, business, finance, AI tools, affiliate marketing, success quotes, productivity, self-improvement, health, entrepreneurship. These niches consistently perform well because people actively seek information in these categories. And the good news is that faceless content works incredibly well inside these niches. Now let's talk about content creation, because this is where most people get stuck. They sit down and immediately start asking questions. What should I post? How do I edit? How do I create videos? How do I write captions? How do I come up with ideas? This is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. Today, AI can generate video ideas, hooks, scripts, captions, voiceovers, titles, descriptions, and even complete faceless videos. Instead of spending hours trying to figure everything out yourself, AI helps speed up the process dramatically. That's one of the biggest reasons creators using AI are growing faster than ever before. Now let's talk about the AI viral hook and script generator. This is one of the most important tools available today. Why? Because attention is everything. If people don't stop scrolling, they never watch your content. And if they never watch your content, nothing else matters. The hook is what grabs attention. The script keeps people watching. The call to action encourages them to take action. AI can help generate all of those things. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can generate dozens of ideas in minutes. And honestly, that's one of the biggest competitive advantages beginners have today. Now, if you're getting value from this Faceless Reels tutorial, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people searching for faceless content strategies. And don't forget to subscribe because I post new tutorials every week on AI, affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and making money online. Now let's talk about one of the biggest secrets behind viral reels: retention. Most people focus on views. Smart creators focus on watch time. The longer people watch your content, the more likely platforms are to push it. That's why successful faceless reels often use curiosity, open loops, fast pacing, captions, pattern interrupts, and strong storytelling. Every second matters. You want people watching all the way through, and that's one reason faceless reels can perform so well. Now let's talk about monetization, because eventually you want your content to make money. One of the easiest monetization models is affiliate marketing. The process is simple. Create content, generate attention, add affiliate links, get clicks, earn commissions. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service, no product creation. You simply connect people with products or services they are already interested in. And depending on the offer, commissions can be substantial. That's why affiliate marketing works so well with Faceless Reels. Now let's talk about the Faceless Reels library. Inside the platform, linked in the pinned comment, there are over 100,000 ready-to-post Faceless Reels available. Think about how powerful that is. Most beginners spend hours trying to create one video. Instead, you can start posting almost immediately. This dramatically shortens the learning curve. If you want access to the same Reels and AI tools, click the link in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about content repurposing. This is one of the biggest secrets successful creators use. Most beginners think they need different content for every platform. You don't. One reel can be posted to TikTok. The same reel can go on YouTube Shorts, then Instagram Reels, then Facebook Reels. One video, 4 platforms, more exposure, more opportunities, more traffic, more commissions. That's one reason Faceless Reels scale so well. Now let's talk about daily workflow, because honestly, it's much simpler than most people think. A beginner workflow might look like this. Log into the dashboard, choose a reel, generate a hook with AI, generate a caption, upload to multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat. That's it. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Most successful creators simply stay consistent. Now let's talk about common mistakes, because avoiding mistakes can save you months of frustration. Mistake number 1, not posting enough. Many beginners post one video and expect results. The reality is that momentum takes time. Mistake number 2, changing niches constantly. Every time you switch niches, you restart the learning process. Mistake number 3, not repurposing content. You're leaving traffic on the table. Mistake number 4, quitting too early. Most people stop right before things begin working. And mistake number 5, perfectionism. Perfection kills momentum. Done is better than perfect. Now let's talk about scaling, because eventually you'll want to grow. The easiest way to scale is simple. Post more content, test more hooks, repurpose more videos, expand onto more platforms, and eventually create multiple channels. Some creators run several faceless pages simultaneously. Each page becomes another traffic source. And because AI speeds up content creation, managing multiple channels becomes much easier than most people think. Now let's talk about the future. AI tools continue improving every month. Content creation is becoming faster. automation is becoming easier, and beginners today have access to tools that simply didn't exist a few years ago. That's why I believe faceless reels are still one of the biggest opportunities available in 2026. The people who start now have a major advantage over the people who wait another year. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You simply need to start. Take action, learn as you go, improve with consistency, and let momentum work in your favor. Now, before we wrap up, if you're serious about learning faceless reels and want access to the exact AI tools, Faceless Reels Library, dashboards, templates, training, landing pages, and automation systems mentioned throughout this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now. That's where you can get instant access and start today. Also, make sure you subscribe because I'll be posting more tutorials on faceless content, affiliate marketing, AI tools, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What type of faceless content are you planning to create first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.